Hey everyone, this is Ben with WTI. I'm going to tell you about the Skechers Men's Tresman-Garrow open-toed water sandal. When it comes to footwear, there's two things I look for: comfort and durability. And now that I had a chance to put some miles on these babies, I can tell you I found them to have both. Here's some things I like about them. First, I want to start with this Luxe Foam. This is soft, dare I say bouncy, which just makes walking a real joy. So we got a sturdy tread, which is great for all different types of terrain. You got straps here on the front, on the top, and around on the back, so you can adjust it to what makes you feel comfortable for you. So whether it's concrete or grass, these sandals are great on any surface. Skechers already has a well-established reputation for quality, comfortable shoes, and the Tresman-Garrow men's open-toe water sandal is no exception. No matter what the surface, no matter what the climate, these sandals have been nothing but comfortable for me. So I would definitely recommend them, and that's my point of view.